In this video, we'll show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on your Ford Edge. This is located in the engine bay and right on top of the engine. Let's get started. To remove the engine cover, you can simply pop it up. It's good to do the front first and then the back. We can just set that off to the side. Using a 7mm or a flathead screwdriver, we can go ahead and loosen up the hose clamp at the beginning of the intake. Get that loose, start to wiggle it off. Moving inward on the intake, we can loosen up the second hose clamp. We can remove this stud using a 13mm. There's a small rubber hose connected to the intake. And just pull that off. Now we can take our intake tube, pop it off the inner portion. Pop the other end off of the box. And now we can kind of just fold this forward and out of the way. Looking towards our right-hand side of the engine, we have our two camshaft angle sensors. One in the front here and one in the back here. In order to remove the back one, we have a line over it here. We don't need to move that. We can work it around. Using an 8mm, we can go ahead and remove the screw. A small tab on the top. Press in on the tab and remove the connector. You always want to check the connector for any damage or corrosion, and we can slide the sensor out. We can go ahead and install our camshaft sensor. Push down to allow the O-ring to set in. And plug the electrical connector back in. Make sure that's locked down. We can get our screws started in. And we can torque this to 62 inch-pounds. And go ahead and get our intake piece back under the vacuum line. Get it onto the intake box. Get the vacuum line on. We'll get the studs started in. We'll snug that down. And tighten down each of the hose clamps. And line up the grommets and press down on the engine cover. Start the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.